Wait, can it be big or small?
Can you think of this? How can you improve humanity by through YouTube? Let's think that way.
I want a best friend necklace. So you have 2 minutes.
We'll make it a triplet.
You gotta give her
I picked out which 2.
Are you recording?
2?
Yes.
You said 2. You said 2, right?
2 things.
Oh, okay.
I picked which 2.
Okay, so go ahead and write down the 2 things that you would like
You
to
already got
print.
2?
And then write your name.
I'm actually
Okay, can I, what do I do?
So now you're gonna write down.
You gotta get a triplet
They didn't
necklace?
have Lucina, did they?
Ramon, you missed somebody.
Cool.
Can you give prizes?
Oh, he wasn't here.
6.
I want to get music, but I don't know what music.
Look. They have sheep.
Can they make this?
I'm changing one of mine.
They can actually make this?
Interview one. Interview them? Okay. Okay. So what are you making? What printing out?
A minion. Or a funky.
A minion? Or a... Oh, that's nice.
We get this and Shanika can have the one like.
And what are you going to print
Can't
out?
connect without like.
What?
What are you going to print out?
I was thinking of printing out iPhones.
Like you see how they want to go together like that, like put together.
So I wanted to
She's gonna have this part and this part. Where they can't put together.
We're getting
We can only do